Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with Brexit news, where it has been announced that former ambassador to Russia, Sir Tim Barrow, has been appointed as the UK's ambassador to the EU. The decision comes after the resignation of Sir Ivan Rogers, and Barrow's appointment has been welcomed by many leading Brexiteers, with Boris Johnson describing the choice as fantastic, and Steve Baker also praising the appointment as first class. Staying in the UK, Chancellor Philip Hammond will head to the Gulf states today in his attempt to secure potential trade deals. Hammond will stress the desire to boost economic ties between the UK and Middle East, with UK exports to the Gulf making up 4% of total exports in 2015. In other news, yesterday saw the UK retail sector take a heavy hit on the back of sales figures released by Next, slashing their profit forecast for the current financial year after a poor holiday period. The retail giant has warned that its pre-tax profit could stand at £100 million, well below market forecasts. Fellow retailer M&S saw its share price decline by over 6%, whilst Primark owner Associated British Food also witnessed a 3.73% fall. In the US, the latest Federal Reserve minutes have shown that officials at the center of the central bank believe that the interest rates could rise higher than expected this year if Trump's policies of tax cuts and aggressive fiscal policy take hold of the economy. Numerous officials mentioned the increased uncertainty associated with fiscal, immigration, trade and regulation policies will have an impact on the future federal interest rate decisions. In other news, Apple has announced a $1 billion investment into Japanese telecoms giant SoftBank. The investment will be committed to SoftBank's Vision Fund, with Apple stating that the fund could speed up the development of technologies which may be strategically important to Apple. In corporate news, house builder Persimmon has announced its 8% increase in revenues and its sales increase of 15%. In data, 8:30 saw Germany construction PMI released, 9:30 saw UK services PMI announced, 1:30 sees US jobless claims figures uncovered, 3 o'clock sees US IMN non-manufacturing composite PMI released, and at 4 o'clock US crude inventories are announced. Thank you for listening.